In this develop stage, our purpose is to identify why those key issues happen and generate relative ideas. The design tool utilizes during this stage are journey mapping and prototyping. First, we will test and measure those issues to understand the experience better, and then we will generate ideas for improvement. So first, we will use the cafeteria case as an example to show the process. According to the survey and interview, here we have the top 4 issues. As you can see, the long lineup issues during the peak hour, also the limited seating, as well as the lack of food selection, and some students mentioned about the poor quality coffee. And next, once we understand the touchpoint, where the issue happened, we need to validate them and understand user experience. One simple and effective way is by direct observation. The staff can go into the cafeteria due to the peak hour and see how often does the line build up, and then record the average wait time from ordering to receive the food. Same idea can be applied for limited seating. For the coffee, the research team can simply try it and see how it tastes. Journey mapping tool is used at this stage to evaluate the issues and potential solution. Researchers can visit cafeteria at other universities and bring back the good examples. Once we create the journey mapping, we first identify all possible touchpoints where the student can interact in the cafeteria product and service. And we found lineup and seating issues happen during the service. It is more like operational issues. However, the lack of food selection and poor quality coffee are more like a management decision related issue. For example, before going to the cafeteria, if the student learn from their classmate about the overprice or the lack of the food selection, they may simply decide not to visit. And during the service, if they cannot get their preferred option or they think it's too expensive, they might leave the cafeteria with no purchase. And even after they have a meal or two at the cafeteria due to those type of issues, they may decide not to return. So more about prototyping. As we learn explorative and value prototyping, it's more about learning the employees to understand how we can create value, as well as to identify more positive ideas to solve the problem. At this point, we use the mapping and collaborate with the multiple departments. The goal is to generate ideas about how we can get target those issues and make improvement. Here are some proposed solutions we generated from the survey and communication with the interviewees. For the lineup issues, we can open extra cashiers or revising the staff standard to see if there's understaffed issues during the rush hour. Limited seating, we can find designated extra seating area in nearby building or consider more grab-and-go options. Lack of food selection, maybe we will design a rotational menu. However, at this point, those are just proposals. Whether or not they can be applied, we need to evaluate them during the last stage. Thank you. This is the end of the third demo presentation.